So, as a 34-year-old man, I've just learned that birds do not fly south for the winter in all locations, especially in Pennsylvania. I asked a passing question. That's pretty cool that you're getting birds. I didn't know that you would be getting birds for your pictures, Mom, this late in the game. And then she nonchalantly told me that they don't fly south from Pennsylvania, as if it was common knowledge. When I was a kid, I learned that all birds fly south for the winter. I am completely beside myself, and I am sorry if it screwed up my grammar or my sentence structure. I've been